Okay, this free tutorial, we're going to help you on how to change a YouTube channel art or background picture.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
In order to do this, go to YouTube completely for free. Go to the top right hand screen and make sure that you go under view your channel. And once here on your YouTube channel, you want to not scroll to your profile, but you want to go above. And then this is your channel art or background, channel background for YouTube. Go to the bottom left hand screen and click the camera icon. It should say edit. This will bring you to the YouTube Creator Studio. And once on the Creator Studio, again, you're on channel customization. Underneath, you should see banner image. So click change. And it even says for the best result, make sure it's 2048 times 1152 pixels and it's 6 megabytes or less. And then you want to locate the image on your computer that you would like to change to channel art or background. As you can see now, this is currently the image. You can even drag here to crop. This is viewable on the TV. This is what people see on the TV, on desktop, and then on all devices. And once you're happy, you're satisfied, click done. And then also click publish on the top right hand screen, completely for free.